Hello, Cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama, come back to Sandy Home Recipe. And we just say brownies. All ingredients are written in the description box below. We call the description box now. Ingredients. Yes, start. You use 70-gram dark chocolate, 157-gram milk chocolate, 124-gram butter. What come melting in now? We are now the 157-gram all-purpose flour. 70-gram unsweetened cocoa powder. One mixing it together, now they're seeing change. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. We are melted. We are now way. We are now the 224-gram brown sugar. While mixing it together, please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share. We are now the 2-gram salt, vanilla. What was the I mix it. All the 4 egg begum, but the begum little at a time. Nina mixing now they will dry mixture now with the cinchen. Where she go now I'm mixing na. If my choosing the kind I will share my video. Remember wave subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. When me notification bell no. Send me the video be a better one with Sabeka. Now they are going prepare baking tray so. We are now baking 160 degrees for 18 or 16 minutes. Are you ready, pet? Now we one manajo and sana what we try into sizes. Me na me taste no. It tastes really nice. Inti aha no caramel frosting obetimi apipe wo so star wo pe na eden wo beye. Now this is our brownies recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.